Is it ours?
I don't know. Let's see the stop sign. Maybe yes. Is that what meant to be here, Dad?
I think so.
I was going to press it, Dad. I wanted to press it.
We've got to come back, don't worry.
Huh?
Our journey from Terminal 5 to Pod Parking Station A takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's a long one. Oh.
Bumpy.
But it's so fun, Daddy. I like it. Look at that. Daddy, you can look at them. It's from Daddy, we're going back. Daddy, we're going to go to the road. Daddy, put down the bridge.
Just waiting for a free bay. Any second
Look,
now.
there's another one on the bridge.
No, the doors will open automatically. Thanks for travelling on Heathrow Terminal. Don't forget your bag.
Rain signal.
Yeah. Daddy, that's a boring car park. Whoa! Whoa!
Look at that.